One of the most annoying things for me when it comes to maintaining files like videos and photos and even records and documents is when I started running out of space. And if you're just like me, you're going to be needing one of these. This is the Seagate Expansion external hard drive. And this is available from 4 terabytes up to 28 terabytes. But in this review, I'm going to be showing you the 16 terabyte version. And now let's check what's in the box and what comes with it. Right here is a USB 3.0 cable. It uses a USB-A to USB micro B connection. And the power adapter that is included has an interchangeable plug, which is great if you travel or live in different regions. And from where I live, this is the plug that I need. And here are the 4 additional plugs that are included. And one last thing before I show you the hard drive is this multi-language user manual. There's not much information to it, but give it a good glance for some cabling diagram and also information about the added bonus services, which is the Rescue Data Recovery Services, which help you recover files if anything goes wrong. Please note that this service varies by country. Now when it comes to the hard drive itself, the design is clean and minimal. The plastic casing feels solid and sturdy for desk use. The enclosure is open on 3 sides, which helps the airflow for passive cooling since this drive is fanless. And at the back, you'll find a USB 3.0 port for the data and a separate power port. There is no on and off switch, so once both are connected, the drive is ready to use. There's also a small light indicator that lights up when the drive is actively reading or writing data. This external hard drive, in my opinion, is more of a desktop model. So unlike portable drives, it needs its own power adapter to support this larger storage capacities. That's why it's designed to stay in one place, regardless if you place it horizontally or vertically, depending on your setup. Connecting it to a Windows PC, it's completely plug and play. There is no need to install a driver, but you will notice that we're only getting a little bit over 14 terabytes and not the full 16 terabytes. And that's completely normal because of the system formatting and how Windows calculates storage. Connecting it to a Mac is also plug and play, but here we get the full 16 terabyte capacity. This is because macOS handles formatting and storage reporting differently. And don't bother asking me about the created and modified date. I also don't have any information about it. And when it comes to speed, since this is a traditional hard drive, it's not as fast as an SSD because it uses a 7200 RPM serial ATA hard drive. It may not be built for speed, but it's built for capacity and reliability because of its built-in features. So if you need a lot of storage in one place and you need something simple, dependable, and easy to use, and speed is not really a requirement for you, this is the Seagate Expansion external hard drive. Get yours today from the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.